Yeah, yeah. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good day that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is tucked.
Today's look, I'll be using a wig that I received from Nadula Hair. This is their 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. You guys will get to see why I said bye-bye knots in a second. You'll be able to get it. The wig comes pre-plucked and it has a zigzag lace. Let me just unbox and show you guys what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. What? This wig is pretty much ready to go. So this is what the wig looks like. Like I said, it does come pre-plucked with a zigzag base, so it's been cut in like a zigzag pattern. They already have the baby hairs done, and this is why I called it bye-bye knots, because as you guys can see, the knots has been bleached and they look so natural. Like it looks super natural. It's given scalp. Did a really good job when it comes to pre-plucking and bleaching the knots. Like look at this. You guys see now why I called it a bye-bye knots, because the knots are literally invisible and it makes it super easy to blend. Once you apply and try to let her down, it's just a pop on and go type of like vibe. And I really love the fact that they cut the lace like this. You won't even really need to cut anymore, but just to clean it up to make sure it's perfect. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It comes with this band. So this band is perfect for like on the go looks, glueless looks. If you're not trying to glue your wig down but you want it to be nice and secured, this is all you would need. Like literally I'm gonna do a glueless look today. Well, not glueless, just a little bit of glue to have it really flawless looking. Love the wave. Look how healthy and shiny she looks. Like yes girl, yes, she's perfect. She's ready to go. So let's go ahead and get into this.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's not about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear, no. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you, you do. I'm trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away.
final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It literally took me nothing to install this wig. Like, super happy with the way it came out because the wig was already pre-plucked, pre-cut in a zigzag pattern, and with invisible knots. It is super easy and super quick for me to install. I literally used a little bit of melting spray just to have it lay down exactly how I want to, and as you guys can see, it's giving, coming straight out the scalp. Okay, don't play with her. I'm just so obsessed with the way it looks. Like, girl, can you even please. I did that under 30 minutes. Let me not say 30 minutes because it did take me 30 minutes to curl the hair, and I kept it super simple, just a body wave look because I didn't want to do too much because I wanted to look natural to fit the vibe. But y'all see it, the lace is laid, it's giving flat, like I'm obsessed. So shout out to Nadula.
Nadula.